Right, we've charged it up again with the external lead. We're out in the shelter in the garden. It is a bit windy. But we'll give it a little run out here when Nanny's finished shutting the garage door. Right, okay, hat on. One on. On. Okay. Up. Whoa. Back this way. No. Gosh, the wind caught that. This may not be a good idea. I wonder if we can take off this way. Right, that's full forwards. There's not much wind, to be honest. A bit struggling. Oh, I've just made it flip accidentally. That wasn't clever. Now I think I'd have to read the instructions, but some of these buttons actually, I think it's got three speeds. We might be on the lowest speed. Yeah, let's see what happens now. Yeah, that's definitely going forwards and backwards easier now. Whoa, it's still very windy out here. Gust of wind caught it and I lost it. Yeah, probably not the best idea while it's a bit windy. Might have to go back indoors. Just in here where it's a bit shaded. That's all I can do to keep it in the garden. Alright, we did a left hand flip. Another flip. Can do that. Yeah, we can flip in all directions. But we can't land on the grass. These little wheels dig in. all right? Struggling? No, couldn't do it. We might have to go back indoors. Or, well, we just use the battery up as it is, couldn't we? Oh dear. Full forwards at the moment. Oh. I think the battery might be down now. Oh no, still going. Come back. I daren't turn it round because I'm facing as far as possible into the wind. Oh, that's it. Full throttle now and we're on the ground. Well, that was a few minutes of fun. I've got to say, this is actually quite a fun little micro drone, or whatever you want to call it. Still, I will take it apart again. I don't need to film it again, but I'll swap that lead. Press the button to switch it off, and we're off. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.